In this video, I will show you how to refund a game on Steam. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. Once you're logged in, if you come and click onto your name at the top where it says Manage Account, and from here you want to come down and click onto Account Details. And what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this. In the Store and Purchase History section at the top, you want to look for the View Purchase History button, give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. From here, you can view your entire purchase history, including gift cards and also previous refunds. And to refund a game on Steam from here, what you want to do is find the game that you want to refund. So I'm going to take this one as an example, give it a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now from here, you can see there's an option saying that you would like a refund underneath the what issue are you having with this purchase section here. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this. And from here, you want to click I'd like to request a refund. Now what it's going to do is check the refund eligibility. Just to note that refunds are typically not issued for purchases that are more than 14 days old. However, if you are eligible, you can choose to have this refunded. And what it's going to do is refund that to the payment method that you used to purchase the game. Now, if you scroll down a bit further, you need to tell us why you want the refund. So you need to click onto the reason box here and select the appropriate reason. For example, if the game is too difficult, or maybe your computer doesn't meet the requirements, so you're not able to play the game successfully, and you can add some additional notes in the box underneath. So once you've done that, you can click the link here to read through the refund policy, but if you're happy with everything, just click the submit request button, and what they're going to do is respond to you at your email, which is going to be down here. Generally it takes about 48 hours for them to reach a decision, but what they will do is send you an email to tell you if they would be able to refund the purchase or not, in which case it will be refunded to your payment method, which is going to be highlighted up here. So that's how to refund a game on Steam. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.